Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this show, I'm gonna talking about prevent extension in the handler. So, as you know, that handler makes trap for the another, another methods like object.prevent extensions. But in this case, it's prevent extensions for object. To specific to that, and you can also use for the reflect object too, reflect constructor like that. And now what we're gonna do is create a const, name it as anything like monster, monster1. I always make this when I dealing with the handlers. So can evolve, is that evolve if this monster, so true, so true. And after that, what we're gonna do is create another const and name it as handler1. And inside the object, what we're gonna do is prevent, pass the prevent extension object. So when we do that, prevent extension, it's gonna prevent the extension for the target in the other cases, but in this case it's gonna make trap for that. So target, and inside the function what we're gonna do is target can evolve make to false. So if we pass the monster object here, if we become true to false. And after that, what we're gonna do is use the object dot prevent extensions and pass the target. It's gonna say, it's gonna prevent that, and we will return the true boolean. So it's gonna end this function here. And now what we're gonna do, create a proxy and name it as proxy1 equals the new, use the proxy constructor method, and inside that what we're gonna do is pass the monster1 comma the handler1. And if we now log it on a console, it's gonna say true. Let me show you. First monster1 dot can evolve, it's gonna say true. But after we do the object.prevent option, object.prevent extension, it's gonna say false. Let me show you. Prevent extension and pass the the monster object. So now what the oh, sorry about that. It will be proxies, so proxy1, and it gonna the monster can't evolve anymore. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand that. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.